Hello, today we will be doing a video on the procedures for Activity Brochure Interface. There are a couple of things we need to make sure that we have done before we can get this process started. First, we want to make sure that the past season has been closed out, along with the parameters for the next season must be set up prior to running this phase. So let's get started. First, we're going to left click on Period End. Then we're going to go ahead and left click on Activity, then scroll down and go to Activity Brochure Interface. The next step we're going to do is we're going to right click in the first box that says Beginning Activity section, and we're going to select the first activity for whatever activity you are selecting. I will be choosing the sport Youth Soccer. So first I'm going to start off with U4 Soccer, and then I'm going to press Select. Then I'm going to right click on End Activity or Section, and I'm going to click on Youth Soccer Challenger Program because that's the end of the activity. Once we have done this phase, we want to update the beginning section date. For Youth Soccer, we will begin July 1st. So we're going to go ahead and select July 1st as the beginning section date. Then we're going to select the end section date, which is November 19th. Once we have completed this, our next step is to right-click on Letter to Merge Data With. We're going to go over here. We're going to right-click on this green square, and we're going to click the F5 button on our keyboard. Once you've selected that, that resets all the activities in this section. Once we're there, we're going to select the second option, which is Brochure Interface. And as you can see, it's BROCHUR. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the checkbox for Include Activity section in Export is selected. As you can see, it's already done. And then we're going to make sure that the activities are sorted by activity and section. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to type in the destination folder. What you'll need to do is make sure that the folder you want to have this information in is already created. You cannot use the folder for the desktop. So you need to make sure that you've created a folder already to be placed on the desktop. If you could turn to the next page, we're going to go ahead and get this process started. So what we're going to do is we're going to minimize our browser for a second, and we're going to find the folder that you would like your interface brochure to be located. So I have selected RecTrack folder for my brochure to be located. So what I'm going to do is, once I have this open, I'm going to right click on the top of the folder where the name is, and you're going to see it comes up with copy address as text, etc. You're going to select copy address. Once we've done this, we're going to go back into the RecTrack system, and we will then go down to brochure export file, and we're going to select everything except the last part before the backslash, which is actually the name of the file that RecTrack has selected. So we're going to select all of that. We're going to right click, and then we're going to press paste. Once there, you'll see that all the information needed for the folder will be selected so that your information will go right into that folder once this process is complete. So now that we've done that, let's go back into the first page and then follow step number 7, which is then left click on Process. Yay! As you can see, we've completed everything, and now our brochure interface is now complete. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and minimize our RecTrack and make sure and check to see if our file is created in our folder. So as you can see, I have my RecTrack folder open here, and I'm going to left click twice. And as you can see, the brochure has been created. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.